Okay, so with this question here, right, we're going to rewrite these, okay, before we expand them. And we need to expand them both separately. So I'd rewrite this as 6 bracket 1 minus 2x. Now remember, root is power half. And then this one here, of course, I can't do it as it is. I need to take it up. So take it up, it will be 1 plus 4x to the power minus 1, yeah, when you take it up. So we can expand now each of these separately using our binomial theorem, right, from the formula booklet. And then we're going to see what it's valid for. So with this one here, you notice there's a 6 in front of it. Okay, so what I would do is I'd ignore that 6 for a minute and just work out what this is. Okay, so we'll just go for that first of all. 1 minus 2x to the power half. So if I put it in, I'll have 1 plus then my n, which is half. X, now my x has become minus 2x, yeah? Plus then, well, n, which is power, which is a half, times n minus 1, which is minus a half, over 1 times 2, which is 2, and then remember then I've got to square x, so I've got to square all of this, so that'll be minus 2x all squared. Okay, so that will be 1 minus x, and remember I've said before, let's work this bit out first, so that'll become minus an 8, and then let's square this, that will be 4x squared, and then plus dot dot dot. So then my final answer then be minus x then, and this will be minus 2x squared. Okay, right, that'll do that. Okay, so that's the expansion for 1 minus 2x to the power half. I need to expand this now, so I need to expand that. 1 plus 4x to the power minus 1, so that will be 1 plus nx, so that'll be n is minus 1 in this case, yeah, and my x then is 4x, plus then n minus 1 over 1 times 2, which is 2, and then x squared, well I've got to square that, so that'll be 4x all squared. Okay, so this become then, well that's become 1 minus 4x, and you know, I can see here straight away, they'll just cancel, won't they? 1 times 2, minus 1 times minus 2 is positive 2, divided by 2 is 1, I'm just going to square that, so plus 16x squared. Okay, it's a plus because those two minuses make a plus, and we're done. So then I need to put it together. So I got 6, yeah, of this. So you know this answer here, I've got to times it by 6. This answer here, timesing it by 6, yeah? Don't forget to times it by 6 because there's 6 in front of it. And then I've got to take away all of this. So when I'm taking away all of this, don't forget to actually put all of this in the bracket. So to say I'm taking it all away. I use a square bracket when I want to say that I'm taking it away. And then expand this bracket, 6 minus 6x minus 12x squared. And then take away then each term in here. So minus the 1, minus 4x is plus 4x, minus then that is 16x squared. Simplify it, and we get, well, 6 take away 1 is 5, minus 6x plus 4x is minus 2x, and minus 12x squared minus 16x squared is minus 28x squared. Okay, so there's my completed answer written out there. Okay, and this is what is valid for. Now remember, we've expanded both of them using binomial theorem, so there'll be 2 validity checks to go on here, right? What you do is you've got to choose the smallest one, don't forget. So this one would end up being a half, this one would end up being a quarter, so you've got to go for the quarter. Okay, remember you go for the smallest one. So you put the 4x in, so you get mod x is less than a quarter. That's the one you go for. If I put that one in, I get a half, but that range is bigger range. And if you choose the bigger range, it won't satisfy some of these values because the values in here have to be less than a quarter. Okay, so if you choose the bigger range of half, then it won't satisfy all the values in here, and we're putting some invalid values in. So you always choose a smaller range. Okay.